told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
My name is P. Marcia, and in this video, I'll be answering a question that many aspiring freelancers ask. I want to do online jobs. Where do I start? Where can I get online jobs as a beginner? So if you are interested in online jobs, but you have no idea where to start or where to look for jobs, then continue watching this video because I have the answer. Or so I believe. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up so it can reach all the people who need this information. I developed an interest in online jobs years ago, but I didn't know where to start. It seemed so difficult and the information I was getting was super confusing. There is no step-by-step guide to making money online, so I decided to just start somewhere and work my way up. I started joining freelance websites to find work and learn more about online jobs. I later learned that most successful freelancers, if not all, started their freelance careers on the same freelance websites. So it's only right that I share them with you so you can also get started with online jobs. The websites I will mention are not organized in any particular order, so watch till the very end to find your poison. Also, most of them are free, but some require you to pay. And yes, some paid platforms are very legit. The first freelance website that you can sign up on is FlexJobs. FlexJobs is the best site to find work-from-home jobs. I didn't know about FlexJobs when I started working online, but I really wish I did. It is very likely to fall for scams when you are a beginner because you are probably desperate and every online job you come across seems legit. Scammers are becoming very good at what they do, and that is where FlexJobs comes in. The FlexJobs team vets every job and company on their platform, significantly reducing the possibility of being scammed. So you only get high-quality unscreened jobs on FlexJobs. And FlexJobs is not limited to a certain job category. There are writing jobs, transcription jobs, customer service jobs, data entry jobs, editing jobs, finance jobs, design, web development, fashion. Etsy. You can get very easy jobs like data entry jobs or pretty technical jobs like software development. The question is, what are you interested in or what are you good at? If you are a complete beginner and have no idea how to search for jobs or make your case on a cover letter or in an interview, FlexJobs has got you covered with very informative articles with useful tips and advice. There's a lot to like about FlexJobs, way more than I can cover in this video, so use the link in the video description to go to the website and look around. FlexJobs is a paid website, so you will only get access to the many online jobs on the platform if you pay for it. Please do further research and only pay if you think it's worth it. Making money online can be difficult if you don't have the right skills or knowledge to help you navigate the online space. The good news is you can acquire relevant skills and knowledge on Skillshare to help you succeed online. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of online classes to equip you with the skills you need. With a Skillshare membership, you can engage in your hobbies and passions all year long. The second freelance website to consider if you are a complete beginner is Upwork. I started my journey on Upwork, and I won't sit here and tell you that getting a job on Upwork is easy for a complete beginner. It was very hard for me. I can, however, tell you that it's not impossible. I got to direct clients who I work with to date from Upwork. Upwork is a great freelance website with many online jobs. Some jobs on the platform pay very well, and if you play your cards right, the people you complete tasks for will become direct.
The third freelance website you can sign up on if you're a beginner looking to start doing online jobs is Fiverr. I registered on Fiverr a few months after Upwork because I wanted to try both platforms and see which one works for me. So it's okay to sign up on multiple platforms when you are just getting started. My decision to join Fiverr. I was inspired by a lady I once met who was a full-time freelancer on Fiverr and was doing very well for herself before meeting her Fiverr. It always seemed like a very difficult platform to navigate, only to later learn that it's not. Unlike Upwork and FlexJobs, freelancers on Fiverr have more control over the amount of money they make. Most clients on Upwork set fixed amounts to pay freelancers, while freelancers on Fiverr will get to set prices for themselves. Once you join Forever, we should set up gigs, which are the services you offer and the different packages you'd like clients to purchase. You should then indicate how much you charge for each package. This gives you the freedom to not only earn as much as you want, but to also charge your clients according to their job requirements, your skill level, capability and financial goals. Once you set up your gigs on Fiverr, shall you profile the network as well as on social media so people can easily find you and buy your services? To be honest, I find Fiverr to be a bit more difficult in terms of getting your first online job, but once that happens, things become easier. And just like Upwork, you will have to put in some work in building your profile. This means exploring profiles of successful freelancers on Fiverr to get some tips. Please don't copy-paste someone's profile because that will work against you. Just use other freelancers' profiles to see what a good profile looks like and what you need to include and exclude when creating news. Checking out other freelancers will also give you an idea of how to create your gigs and the information to include. Now Fiverr also has an affiliate program that you can join and start making money from referrals. I would like to emphasize that FlexJobs, Upwork and Fiverr are kind of different. FlexJobs is a job board where companies and brands post open positions for remote work from home and flexible work. Interested candidates then apply for their jobs on the relevant company's website on Upwork. Almost everything is done on the platform. Clients post jobs, hire freelancers and pay them through the platform. Fiverr is also the same as Upwork, except for the fact that clients are the ones who buy services or gigs from freelancers. There are many more freelance websites that you can join and find online work, but these are the ones I have personally used. If you like this video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload new content you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.